Hello everyone, my name is Abhilash Ganesh Phonkar and today's video topic is that main method. So, which is we have to mention in that our program. It is like a public static void main method. In this video we have to discuss about what is the exactly main method and what is the meaning of that each keyword of that like a public static void main and string args. Okay, so let us start our video. That is the Java main method. So the main method is the starting point for that JVM to start the execution of that Java program. Without the main method, the JVM will not be executed the program as well. There have the syntax of the how to declare and initialize that like a main method. So you can write it down is like a public static void main string args. It is also called as that method signature, and the another one is that each keyword has own like a meaning of that keyword, which is like a public is an access specifier. So the another keyword is like a static is an keyword, and the void is an like a return type. So it cannot be written any value. Okay, so and the main is an like a method name, and string args it is like a that is like a array of that array of that string type. Okay, so we will see the exactly that meaning of that each keyword. So the public is an like a access specifier. We should use that the public keyword before that the main method, so that the JVM can identify the execution point of that program. If we use the like a private, protected, and default in that main method, it will not be visible to that JVM, so it will did not execute a program, or it will be maybe showing as an error. Okay, so the another keyword is like a static keyword. So the static keyword, you can say you can make a method you can make a method static by using the static keyword, and we should call the main method without creating an object. Static method are the method which is invoked without creating the object, so we do not need any object to call that main method. Okay, so the another keyword is like a void. So void in Java, it is like every method has the return type. Okay, so void keyword acknowledge that the compiler that the main method that it will be like it does not return any value. Okay, so as I told you before, that is like each and every method have an like a return type. If we having mentioned that method, there have an like a method return type. If the method did not have a return type, it will be showing as a void. Okay, so because it will be not return any value. Okay, so the next one is that the main keyword. So it is like a default signature which is predefined in that JVM. It is called by that JVM to execute a program line by line, and end that the execution after the compilation of that method. So we can also call it like a overload that the main method. Okay, so the next keyword is like a string args. So the main method also accepts that the data from that user. It accepts a group of strings which is called as that string array, and it is used to hold that the command which is used to hold to that command line argument in that form of a string values. Okay, thank you.